Hey everyone, are you frustrated with your weight loss journey and feel like something's missing? Well, today, I'm unlocking the power of prebiotics with 5 gut-boosting secrets. Trust me, these tips could change your life. So let's dive right in. First up, have you ever heard of Jerusalem Artichoke Inulin? In a 2025 Stanford trial, just 15 grams of this inulin increased Bifidobacteria by a whopping 127%. The secret? Slice them thin, spray with avocado oil, and bake into crispy, tasty chips. One nurse even kicked her sugar cravings in just 9 days. Next, let's talk about green banana-resistant starch. Cambridge researchers found that unripe bananas boosted short-chain fatty acid production by 89%. Here's a pro tip. Freeze those slices first to boost resistant starch content by 40%. Combine it with apple cider vinegar to supercharge fermentation. Now let's move on to burdock root FOS. MIT's 2025 findings showed that burdock root tea increased microbiome diversity by 63%. And it gets better. FOS binds to heavy metals, helping detox your system. Dr. Emily Sato puts it perfectly. Your gut isn't broken, it's begging for strategic prebiotics. Alright, now for the big reveal. Microbiome Meal Plan, prebiotic pairing charts, SCFA boosting recipes, a bacterial growth tracker. Your gut bacteria deserve this feast, so smash that subscribe button. Prebiotic, Oxford Fiber Guide, Harvard Meal Plans, transform your gut into a fat-melting machine. So there you have it, 5 secret prebiotic fibers to revolutionize your weight loss journey and gut health. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more gut-boosting tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.